So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra. Now to do this, it's basically the same process on both, and it's a very basic process. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your settings application. So hop right into settings just like this, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically swipe all the way down until you find a little option that says General Management. So tap on General Management, and then what you can do is basically scroll down until you find this Reset button, which is right over here. So now what you can do is you can tap on Reset, and then you can go through and see if you want a temporary cloud backup, external storage backup. But if you want a factory data reset, you can tap on this factory data reset option right here, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and basically factory data reset your phone. Now keep in mind, it's going to delete everything off of your device. So basically everything is going to be deleted. So make sure you back up anything that you no longer need or that you need in the future. Tap over here. You want to tap on that reset option, and then you want to click on delete all. And it's going to allow you to basically delete everything off of your phone, and you can delete it all. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.